Let me see. Woo. Rapid blue. This is the reason why I got this car. This color had to have it. I could not get a Camaro in any other color. What's going on YouTube? Q back here again. Another video for you. Today's video, you see the title, you see the thumbnail. I'm thinking about selling the ZL1, and there's no fault of the car on its own, but it hasn't been getting a lot of time on the channel as of late. And this guy has been doing pretty well view-wise. The Camaro, not so much. So I don't know if you guys are tired of seeing the ZL1 or YouTube just not pushing it, but it's come to a crossroad where I can sell the Camaro. Should I sell the Camaro? I don't know, man. I don't know. It's just a thought. But since it's somewhat warm out, I'm about to wash these cars, and I'll dive into that later. It's not going to be today. Probably not going to be for another week or two, if that. I don't even know what it's worth at the moment, but I should be sitting pretty nice within equity. So I'm going to be talking about that. And shout out to City of Cars. I will be taking it to them if I do. But let me get this thing washed first before we dive in. And before I do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. It is diddly ilthy. Shout out to Ned Flanders. It's been a minute. Took this guy to the track. Didn't wash it. Haven't driven it. It's got cold. Now it's somewhat warm, but it's going to get cold again. So we are good looking, but just dirty. So let's fix that up real quick. Before I even turn the water hose on, just got feelings of instant regret if I do. Just looking at that ZL1 badge. This is the only car I ordered, and it took so long to get. And I just did it up the way that I wanted to. It looks good. Getting rid of that. Some of the mods I did myself. The spoiler, the cold air intake. Nothing major. Tires are filthy. This thing gives off massive brake dust. So it's like layers upon layers of dirt. Calipers are still holding up after a couple of track days. I am shocked. So those are still good. Lowering springs, the stand sit right. Yeah, this thing look good. That wing, man, dang. This wing does a lot for the car. Power washer hooked up. All this stuff can be linked in the description. Got some affiliate links, so if you want the same setup, it's all there. Even this here too, shout out the Blueprint. Most of the dirt is always caked up behind the rear wheels back here, so we can just see how that flies off. Most of this will fly right off, especially if I wash the water off. The foam cannon sets up so nicely. I already did this, so the more I talk, the longer it's going to turn into water. I definitely got to hit this spot inside the door sill that collects dirt. So let me get the soap off and rinse and be done. Alright, Camaro's all clean. About to pull the Integra up. Might as well get that clean while it's still warm. Good old hand wash. This has only ever had hand washes by me or even Jay's mobile wash. So let me get this back in the garage. So it's got to sit again because it's about to get cold and rainy tomorrow. So should take it for one more drive, but guess I'll do a spirited drive on the way to City of Cars, so stay tuned. Gonna put this pressure washer in the house this year. Last year, I left the other one out in the garage and it was busted the next year. Water hose too, but I got hit with the snowblower. So putting this in the house and the hose is in the garage and the techie is clean. Driveway is a mess, got every car in the wrong spot possible. Gotta get to the Camaro, which is clean. It's been a few days now. Gotta get this boy cleaned out. So got my title in hand, a bunch of junk in this trunk. So as you see, I keep the hooping shoes in there because I'm always ready to go. Speaking of going, shout out to 100 Gang Nate. Let's go. Dude is very athletic. Think I can beat him in the game of basketball. Who you got your money on, me or Nate? Put it down in the comment section. I got my money on me. Might be older, but I got skill. I'm a seasoned vet. I put English on that thing when I shoot. Shout out to Blueprint as well. Go check out his page. Got a new surprise, new addition to the family. Shout out to Race Car Friends and his clutch because he always stalls. So God bless his clutch. So let me get this car cleaned out so I can take it to City of Cars. Here is what might be the last cold start. God. Gotta send this thing off the right way, man. I haven't heard the pops in so long. Catch traction out here, man. God. Haven't heard much of anything else that sounds as good as this car, man. Jeez, oh Pete. People got to get Chevy props too. This is a great shifter as well. People always say Porsche and Honda. This is right up there with it. And I never hear people praise Chevy for it. Yeah, man, I'm definitely gonna miss this car, man. This, hands down, my favorite car, the greatest car I've owned, and one of the top cars you can get, especially for the money. Like whatever's in this class, this is number one to me. One last little curve, man. Downshift. How can I give that up, man? Shout out to MRT for this exhaust. This thing, they put their foot in this, their hands in it, something. They put some magic on it, man. It's already good from the factory, but they made it phenomenal, man. All right, pulling up at the other City of Cars. It's the buying center we're about to go into. But before we get hit head on, oh, they got a GT500. I need to see what that's like. Oh, scraping my competitor. Ooh, I wonder how much that's going for. Another Camaro, the Mini. Lots of good stuff here. One last time. Woo! Where is Mel? Is she here? Nope. She must have stopped to get some food. Arrived at the other location where I'm normally at. So the other one was the buying center. When you buy a new car from City of Cars, that's where you go. But this is the showroom where most of the inventory is. So where all the high-end stuff is at. And this is where I'm always at. So my car, I'm selling as is. I'm not taking the exhaust off. I'm not taking anything off. Keeping the cold air intake on. Might even keep the QDK out of 6s on there. But no, I just didn't have the time to go through and take stuff off. All I had time to do was wash the exterior. The interior is kind of dirty. Keeping the wing on there. I still got the stock parts if needed, stock mufflers. So I'm making this as a haste decision. Didn't think about it long enough, but I'm here and I'm going to go through with it. So I didn't talk numbers. I don't know how long it will be to sell, but the weather's nice. And since I'm not driving the car, might as well see what we can get. So I'm about to have that conversation and drop off some keys. So who knows how long it'll take. But I want to let you all know first so you can have first dibs at my ZL1. So It's here at City of Cars, Troy, Michigan. Link will be in the description. If you are interested, give a call, ask for Jose here. He normally helps me out with most of my things here. Amazing guy. So I'm in the showroom back here. Bunch of things back here. Check out the website. Actually, I'll probably upload a video tonight that you all will see, but check them out. A lot of beautiful cars, lots of car enthusiast vehicles here at this location. A couple of my dream cars here, so will I get one of those? Who knows? Actually, I have no idea what I'm getting. Gotta make one move before I make another move, so I will check with you all. Got the wife waiting on me outside. I bet she's gonna get out. I knew it. She wants me to drive. Do I look like your maid or something?
You know, but you're my man.
Yeah, girl, you looking good. Dang. Break that in there. All right now. Oh, the gentleman always opens the door. Whoops. All right. Now we head home. That was quick.
So I'm that predictable.
You're not predictable.
Oh my God, I sound like a nerd.
You are spontaneous. All right, I'm gonna holler at you when I get back to the house. About to get lunch. Still got to talk numbers, so that's you want to. Still got to talk numbers. I do not know. I'm guesstimating high 60s, but we'll talk because do have modifications, which don't add much. And then I got that scratch on the bumper, so there's that. So letting it all out there. You be the judge of what you want to pay. Site, you gonna pay what I tell you to pay. So they'll have it posted. I'll let you all know if I find out soon because I got moves to make. So catch y'all at the house. The world's slowest food order. We came all the way back home, 4 different restaurants, and she did not order anything. You know who's hungry? Me. Me. You're hungry too, but you are so indecisive.
I have to make sure we get some good food.
All of it was good.
Shit.
Alright, so back home, she's still trying to figure out what to order. I am very hungry, so now we're down to just the Integra. Will I get another car? Yes, I will. But still got to handle business with the Camaro first. I don't know how long it's going to take because it depends on who's buying the car. I'm letting you all know first, so you all will know before it's even posted on their website. Before I change my mind. Changing my mind already. But yeah, it's going to be for sale. So if you're seriously interested, call up the City of Cars. ZL1 for sale. It's like 9,300 miles on it. Rapid blue. You know the miles. The cold air intake. I got 2 newer tires on the rear. We got Ibach lowering springs. The calipers are on there. The ZL1 1LE wing. Watch my mod video. Like it's 8 or 9 miles on there. So that's it. The ZL1 will be up there. I might see it in another video before it's actually sold. So I'm going to leave you all on that very sad, tragic note. So it is tragic. I'm not dramatic. That is tragic. I just lost my best car. Yeah, it's my best car I ever had. Have you ever sold the best car you ever had? Huh? Song about it. What's that even mean? She is very mean. You see how she treat me?
You said you lost the best car you ever had.
Yeah, you never had a best car, did you? Have you ever lost your favorite car?
Actually, yes.
Which one?
My 1988 Honda.
Trash. Alright, so you want to know what a real Honda is? This thing right here behind me. So yeah.
Wait.
Now I got my snow scraper. Boom. This car didn't have anything. Now she needs my car. Here, Jane Jetson. So, alright, so Camaro's at City of Cars. Not committed to sell it. Could change my mind. So if we get a very warm winter, I'll bring it right on back. But as of now, it's for sale. So letting you all know first, my loyal supporters. So, and it's not a knock against the car, it's personal choices. So I'm looking at other cars already, and before y'all Camaro people leave, a Camaro is still on my list, so I'll be going to check out one in a couple of days. So hopefully things work out to where I can sell that car and get another car, but time will tell. Like, I can't predict that future, so I'm going to leave you all with that. Camaro is on the list. That is my favorite car to date so far, and it's not many places I can go from there. Let me know in the comment section what you all think I'm going to get next. I'm Q checking out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.